If you can't explain what you want in one sentence, the universe has no clue what to deliver. Saying, I just want to be happy is like telling a waiter, surprise me, and then getting something you're allergic to. No wonder your manifestations are hit or miss. Let's fix that. Welcome to Manifestation Troubleshooting, where we break down what's really going on when your manifestations aren't showing up and how to finally make the shift. Today's topic is one of the most common blocks out there, clarity, or really like the lack of clarity. If you've ever said, why isn't anything happening? I swear I'm doing everything right. Or the universe must not be hearing me, chances are it's not about doing more or even changing anything. It's about getting clear. Let's get real. Most people think they're being clear, but what they're actually doing is sending the universe mixed signals. You say you want more money. Okay, cool. But do you mean like $200 or do you mean $200,000? Do you want it through a new job, a business, a partner, a lottery ticket? And sometimes that doesn't even matter because you can manifest money from unexpected ways and opportunities. The most important thing is that when you have that money, you know exactly how it's going to improve your life and where every last dollar would go. Sometimes it's best to allow the things you want to manifest to come to you in whatever way the universe thinks is best for you and your highest good. But with that being said, clarity does create alignment, and confusion will only create chaos. Neville Goddard once said, assume the feeling of the wish fulfilled. You can do this by tapping into your vision, playing it out like a movie, and then feeling it in your body. If you're not specific, there is no wish, and you can't embody what you haven't defined. Before we get into today's video, if you are new here, and welcome to my channel, and for those of you that are already subscribed, welcome back. My name is Christina. I'm the founder of Awaken Magic Within. I'm here to help you manifest anything you desire by improving your mindset and incorporating nature-based rituals. And I just wrote a book called Tap Into Magic. So if you are new and you're just starting out on your spiritual or manifestation journey, it was written just for you. I'll put the link to it in the description below. Now let's get to today's troubleshooting video. Here is where science meets spirituality, my two favorite things. Your brain is constantly filtering reality through a system called the reticular activating system, or the RAS. I've talked about this before. It takes 1 million bits of data and it only shows you what matches your internal focus. So if your internal signal is fuzzy, the RAS can't find anything to align with. Dr. Andrew Huberman, a neuroscientist at Stanford, talks about how vision and attention literally rewire the brain. If your internal vision is unclear, your brain stays in hesitation mode and your actions or lack thereof reflect that. Pair that with the law of attraction principles, and now you're emitting a diluted vibration. And as Abraham Hicks says, a mixed vibration equals mixed results. But here's the kicker. Even if you get crystal clear on what you want, there's still one thing that can override it completely. And it's not your mindset, it's not your energy, and it's not even your emotions. Here's a hint. It's automatic, invisible, and it's been running your life for years without you even realizing it. So stick around and I'll show you exactly what it is here in a few minutes. Grab your journal and ask yourself, what do I actually want? Not what you think you should want, not what your parents or your past said was realistic. Get specific. What does the desire look like on a Tuesday afternoon? What does it feel like when it's real? What are you doing, wearing, and surrounded by, both with people and environments? And then use this script. I am now ready to receive, and then insert your desire. And I trust that it's on the way in the most aligned, magical way possible. This is more than just cute journaling. You're giving your brain a command. You're tuning your frequency. And then I would look at that journal every single day. If you want to supercharge it, use Mel Robbins' 5-second rule right after you write it. Count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and take one aligned action. Send an email, apply to the job, make an offer, text the guy, whatever you want to do. That bridges thought into action, and action reinforces clarity. Okay, remember that invisible force that I mentioned earlier? It's your identity. If you want to manifest $10,000, but your subconscious mind only sees you as somebody who's broke or bad with money or not worthy of abundance, your internal system will sabotage you, even when you have the best clarity in the world. And my online mentor, the man that I love, Bob Proctor, he once said, you can never outperform your self-image. So while clarity gets the process started, you also need to check if your inner identity can actually receive what you're asking for. That's the next layer. Here's the truth. The universe isn't confused, you are. It's not punishing you or ghosting your desires. It's responding to the level of clarity and congruence you're operating from. Something Jack Canfield once said was, decide what you want. Believe you can have it, believe you deserve it, and believe it's possible for you. And I'll add, say it clearly, feel it fully, act like it is inevitable and it's just a matter of time before you are going to have that thing you are really wanting to manifest. Because vague intentions manifest vague results, but clarity manifests miracles, and pretty fast. If this resonated, comment below, I am getting clear. And I want you to declare your new specific manifestation in the comments. Say it, claim it, and anchor it in. And if this video helped you understand what's been blocking you, wait until the next video. In episode 2 of the Manifestation Troubleshooting series, we're diving into how your identity might be the hidden reason your manifestations keep stalling, even when you're doing everything right. I'll show you how to reprogram your identity using neuroscience, behavior change, and the law of assumption so you can manifest from who you really are, not who you've been conditioned to be. So hit the subscribe button, tap the notification bell, and get ready to turn your I hope into I have. Follow Awaken Magic Within for more practical tips on how to tap into and harness the magic inside and all around you.